Good morning, children. Children, in our previous class, we learned about cube numbers. Cube numbers. If we multiply a number by itself 3 times, we obtain the cube of a number. Now we are going to learn about cube root of a number. Cube root. The cube root of a number is defined as a special number which when cubed or multiplied 3 times gives the original number. For example, the cube root of a number 27 is 3. It means that when a number 3 is multiplied 3 times, we get 27. That is 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Okay. The cube root of a number is a special value that when cubed gives the original number. That means, children, 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. That is, 4 cubed is equal to 64. As I told you, the cube root of a number is defined as a special number which when cubed or multiplied 3 times gives the original number. That is, when we multiply 4 3 times, the product is 64. So, the cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 64 is 4. Okay. നമ്മൾ ഏത് നമ്പറിനെ 3 ടൈംസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലാണോ നമുക്ക് ഒറിജിനൽ നമ്പർ കിട്ടുന്നത്, ആ നമ്പറാണ് ക്യൂബ് റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് ദ ഒറിജിനൽ നമ്പർ. ഹിയർ ഇൻ ദിസ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ, വെൻ വി മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ 4 3 ടൈംസ്, അവർ ആൻസർ ഈസ് 64. 4നെ നമ്മൾ 3 ടൈംസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 64 ആണ് ആൻസറായി കിട്ടിയത്. സോ ക്യൂബ് റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് 64 ഈസ് 4. ക്ലിയർ? Cube root of 64 is 4. Or 4 cubed is equal to 64. 4 cubed, that means 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. Okay. Children, 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 cubed. 5 cubed is equal to 125. So, what is the cube root of 125? 5. 5 is the cube root of 125. So, the cube root of a number is defined as a special number which when cubed or multiplied 3 times gives the original number. Okay. Cube root of a number is defined as a number which when cubed, that is, which when multiplied by 3 times gives the original number. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. So, what is the cube root of 27? 3. Okay. That is, when we multiply 3 times, our answer is 27. So, here the original number is 27. Its cube root is 3. Clear? Children, this is the symbol for cube root. You already learned about the radical symbol. This is the radical symbol. Radical symbol. We use this for square roots. Then write a 3 like this. 3. Okay. This 3 means cube root. Cube root. This is a symbol for cube root. That is, first you draw the radical symbol and write a 3 like this. This is the symbol for cube root. Okay. So, as you learn, 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. So, we can say cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Read it as cube root of 64. Similarly, we can say that cube root of 125 is 5. That means when we multiplied 5 3 times, our answer is 125. Okay. Cube root of 27 is equal to 3. That means 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Okay. Children, this is the symbol for cube root. This is the radical sign, radical symbol. Okay. And write a 3 like this. This 3 means cube root. Okay. See children. We can read this as the cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 27 is 3. Okay. Cube root is an inverse operation of the cube of a number. Inverse operation. That is, children, 4 cube, that is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. That is 4 cubed is equal to 64. The inverse operation of cube root of 64 is 4. So we can say that cube root is an inverse operation of the cube of the number. That is 4 cubed. That is 4 cubed means 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. That is 4 cubed. We can say that cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Okay. 4 cubed is equal to 64 and cube root of 64 is 4. Okay. That is, the cube root is an inverse operation of the cube of a number. Inverse operation means opposite operation. Okay. Children, here the cubes and cube root of numbers up to 10 are given. 1 cube is 1. So we can say that cube root of 1 is 1. 2 cube is equal to 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. 3 cubed is equal to 27. So cube root of 27 is equal to 3. 4 cubed is equal to 64. Therefore, cube root of 64 is 4. 5 cubed is equal to 125. So cube root of 125 is 5. 6 cubed is equal to 216. So cube root of 216 is 6. 7 cube is equal to 343. So cube root of 343 is 7. 8 cube is 512. Therefore, cube root of 512 is 8. 9 cube is equal to 729. So cube root of 729 is 9. 10 cube is equal to 1000. So cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay. Children, the cube of first 10 numbers are given. We can find the cube root like this. 1 cube is equal to 1. So cube root of 1 is 1. Okay. 2 cube is equal to 8. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. 3 cube is equal to 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. That means 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Okay. Cube root of 64 is equal to 4. That means 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. Cube root of 125 is equal to 5. That means 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. Okay. Cube root of 216 is 6. That means 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 216. Cube root of 343 is equal to 7. That means 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to 343. Okay. Cube root of 512 is equal to 8. That means 8 into 8 into 8 is equal to 512. Okay. Next, cube root of 729 is equal to 9. That means 9 into 9 into 9 is equal to 729. Okay. Cube root of 10,000. Sorry children. 1000 is equal to 10. That means 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1000. Okay. So children, this is the symbol for cube root. The symbol is known as radical sign, and write a small 3 like this. Small 3 like this, which means cube root. Cube root. Okay. Children, today you learn about cube root of a number. The cube root of a number is defined as a special number which when cubed or multiplied 3 times gives the original number. Okay. If we multiply a number 3 times, we will get the original number. That number is known as cube root. നമ്മൾ ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ 3 times എഴുതി multiply ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we will get an answer. That number is known as cube root. That is 4 into 4 into 4. When we multiply 4 3 times, our answer is 64. So the cube root of 64 is 4. Similarly, when we multiply 5 3 times, our answer is 125. 5 into 5 into 5. So cube root of 125 is 5. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you children.